Today's wig comes from BeautyForever. Let's install it. I'm gonna show you guys what this beautiful style look like. It comes with the drawstring and the strap. Beautiful honey blonde color, perfect for the lady that likes the wig that you can just put on it and go really fast. All right, so I'm gonna just pop this on. One thing I love about a honey blonde wig is that it's easy to blend. With this being a short bob style, so simple, you don't have to worry about doing all the curling to your hair and everything. So I'm gonna just take the straps in the back, tighten them, and then I'm going to also take the drawstring and pull that drawstring so that it can secure and hold the wig. You don't have to worry about it like sitting on the ear. This is what the hairline looks like out the box. I think it's a pretty decent hairline. You do have the wefts on over here, but you can always pull the hair down if that is a problem for you. But for the most part, I don't feel anything right here. It's like it lays flat. By the way, happy Juneteenth to you guys. I hope you have a relaxing, chill, stress-free weekend. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about today's style. Do you like the blondes? Let me show you what the back look like, because the back is so nice. Look at that. Like, it's just beautifully cut and it has a lot of flow to it. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do I want to keep this part or should I do a middle part? Let me know in the comment section if you think I should have switched the part, or do you like it with the side part? I think I'm gonna keep the side part. It just gives a little bit more. So I'm gonna take my spray water bottle and spray the hair. Get it nice and wet. Look, if you're looking for anything specific like the length, the density, the link, it'll all be down there for you all. Because I know sometimes when I don't post links, I'll just be on me. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Cantu, and this will also be linked in my favorites. That link is in the description box. You can find all the products I like to use and apply over the hair. This hair is super soft out the box. The brush I'm gonna use is this brush here. It's for curly hair. It'll help to define and just set the curls. Just rake that through. Now remember, when it comes to styles like this, you want to use a lot of conditioner because the hair is color treated. So you want to make sure that whatever products you're using is hydration. So once you brush through the hair and get it nice and combed, the easiest way to set the curls, finger comb through and use that conditioner. I'm gonna take some of this hair mousse and put it through the hair. Now, the one thing I do love about this brush, I know a lot of people use their fingers to coil the hair, which takes a little time doing the finger coils. With this brush, it makes it a lot faster. So you can just rake the brush through like this. It has all of these different ridges and bristles. You rake it through and it finger coils the hair on its own. If you are the person who do like to finger coil your curly hair to get a more defined look, maybe you want to invest in this brush because it helps get that look faster, and it's made specifically for wavy and curly hair. Okay, so you just rake it through, scrunch it up. Now if you want to define with some finger coils at the ends, I mean, you can. I'm not really good at doing this with my fingers, so that's why I got the brush. The brush is very helpful. Just rake it through like that and then scrunch it up, and you'll start to notice spirals will come. If you want more definition at the bottom, just go just like this and scrunch. I'm gonna just trim off a little bit of the ends so everything can be even. And there's not much to trim because the hair already look like it's evenly cut. It's just a couple of pieces that may be uneven. Okay. And it's really hot outside. I don't really like to dry the hair all the way because wearing it in heat, the heat will do it outside by itself. It's like 90 degrees outside today. Yeah, it'll do it by itself. I am gonna create a little bit of edges right here. It's super simple. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like in the sunlight today. I like the color. It's really pretty, y'all. I was gonna add something around the hairline, but I just feel like the hairline looks so good by itself. I don't need to add anything. But what I am gonna do, I'm gonna take some of this just so I can get some volume here and just spray that hair so it can stay, and then dry it. Wow, this turned out really good. I like the finished look. I definitely like when I added the little volume right there. So this is the Kiss Super Stay adhesive spray, but it also doubles as a hairspray. So you can use it to lay your lace down for hold, or you can use it as a hairspray. Let me show you what the back look like. So now this is what it looked like in the back. Gorgeous, I like it. Yeah, I was just about to say it's not much sun out today, but it definitely is a lot of sun. Yeah, the hair looks really good. I like the color. Super bright out here today. If you're going to diffuse the hair, just make sure not to do it all the way so that the hair can have some moisture in it, of course. This color and cut is just so pretty. I got so many compliments on this. Beautiful. I just really like a curly texture that is a honey blondish. This is what it looked like in regular lighting, what it looked like outside, also inside with regular lighting. The color is so pretty. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I'm about to cook something because I'm hungry, y'all. I'm super hungry. The gym this morning and I didn't eat anything at all today. It's now almost 2 o'clock and I am hungry, okay? Also, if you go to my channel, I'm gonna put up a tab in the community for you guys. I wanna do a Q&A. I haven't really caught up with you guys about life lately. So if you put a question there, I want to do a video and answer you guys' questions. So go leave me some questions on the community tab. The roots didn't curl all the way to the top. However, it does curl about right there. Let me know what you guys think about this style. Do you like the color? Do you like the curl? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix my food. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.